Okay, now that we're 4 weeks old, we're big enough to experience Puppyland. Everybody's been over on the potty side of the box and are just coming back. And we'll see who will come out and play with us. Whoa, did that scare you? Did that scare you? Who else wants to come out and play? We've got lots of toys out here. Who wants to come out and play, huh? Look at this. We have things. Anybody come out, huh? We got a few takers. What do you think, puppies? What's that, huh? It's all new. We got some adventure going on here, don't we, huh? You guys aren't scared, are you? Look at that. Is that fun? What you find in there, Evie? Come on, Lucky. There you go. Not graceful, but gets the job done. Oh, you got the giggle ball to go. What was that, huh? Come on, Bugs. You're a big girl. Come on, Bugsy. I know you can do it. There we go. I just helped the last couple come out. What do you think? That's Puppyland. So many adventures await. Can you find the toys? You heading back in, ducks? Hey, Evie, where are you going, buddy? What a good boy, huh? You're out exploring, aren't you, huh? That's a big bear, isn't it? It's that big old teddy bear. What do you think? You're ringing the bell. Coming back to the fold, Evie. Got the giggle ball to go. Oh, that was an actual bark. Stand back. And treble ducks. Hi, Evie. Ooh, look at the toys, huh? A lot of cool toys. And they move, don't they, huh? Look at this. You're a real adventurer, aren't you, Evie? You guys are really brave. You almost got it, ducks. Try again. Just gotta get those back feet to work. Front feet are plenty strong. Where you going, Gracie? And now? Feeling feisty this morning? You got some sass on this morning, don't you, huh? Ooh, you're on top of the bear. I think you got him pinned down. You find the balls? Huh? You find a wobble board, huh? You're almost big enough to push it down, just barely though, Gracie. Way to go. You got the giggle ball again. Lucky, what are you doing, huh? You're having a talk with it. Can you ring the bell? Sure you can. Oop, there goes that giggle ball again. You like the wobble board, Gracie? Lucky, you're having quite a conversation over there. Where are you going? Once you get bigger, there's a whole bunch more toys to look at. But you're doing great. Some puppies are frightened when they come out. You guys are very brave. Come on, Evie. What do you think, Lucky? It's a big world, isn't it, huh? It's a big world. You see all those toys? You guys are going to be ready for a nap. You've had lots of exercise today. Okay, well, here we go. We'll put you back in the box. I'll help you.